Honesty is powerful, but in the wrong place, honesty becomes a punishment. This is the story of a donkey named Ramu. Ramu was not fast, he was not clever with words, but he was honest, and he worked harder than anyone. Every morning before sunrise, Ramu carried heavy sacks of grain to the market. He never complained. He believed one simple truth: if I work sincerely, life will reward me. The owner of the farm often watched him. Other animals admired him. Ramu is the most hardworking one, they said. Ramu felt proud, not because he wanted attention, but because he wanted to be useful. One day, the owner gave Ramu an important task. Carry these sacks carefully, he said. This is the biggest delivery of the season. Ramu nodded. I will do it honestly, he promised. Ramu walked slowly, step by step, making sure nothing fell. It took longer, but he finished perfectly. Every sack was safe. When he returned, tired and dusty, he expected appreciation. But instead, he saw something strange. A fox was standing beside the owner. The fox smiled confidently. I finished faster, the fox said. I saved you time. Ramu looked confused, but I completed everything safely. The owner's face turned cold. Yes, he said, but you were slow. The fox spoke sweetly. In business, speed matters more than sincerity. Ramu's heart sank. The next day, the owner stopped calling Ramu. He gave the best work to the fox. The fox didn't carry carefully. Sometimes sacks spilled, sometimes corners were cut, but the fox always had excuses, always charm, always clever words. Ramu stayed outside the barn, forgotten, replaced, not because he was bad, but because he was too honest and too simple. One night, Ramu sat under the stars. He whispered, "Was my honesty a mistake?" Then an old owl landed nearby. The owl said softly, "Honesty is never wrong, but wisdom is protection." The world does not always reward the pure heart. Sometimes people reward the clever mask. Ramu listened. His eyes filled with tears. From that day, Ramu did not stop being honest, but he became wiser. He learned, work hard, but also know your worth. Be loyal, but don't let others use your loyalty. Be honest, but understand where your honesty is safe. Because the bitter truth is, smart workers get replaced when the world values tricks over truth. So never lose your goodness, but never lose your wisdom either.